Hey guys, welcome to AIverse. In today's topic, I have brought you a unique niche to make money online, which seems like an untapped market at the moment, but very lucrative. And if you follow the steps I show you in this video, you can make more than $10,000 a month, and maybe more if it really goes viral. Like this one, this channel has over 14 million subscribers, with one of its most popular videos amassing nearly 100 million views. That is mind-blowing. Also, many of the videos have over 10 million views each. So this guy is really making serious cash with this channel, that too without even showing their face. So let me tell you, there are many channels in this niche, and they are just uploading simple lo-fi beats with a simple yet aesthetic background, and still manage to get millions of views per video. As you can see, this video is monetized, so it is possible to create this type of channel without any music or editing skills. Now you are wondering, oh, I don't have the skills to create such videos, or I don't know how to edit like that. Don't worry, that's what I'm here for. I will walk you through the step-by-step process of building a channel like this using AI tools. Now, in order to get monetized, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which is not an easy task, but I will share some tips, so watch till end. Let's jump in. First, we need to create some lo-fi beats. I will use Moobert, an AI music generator where many creators get their music from. In order to create your own, click Generate a Track Now. On the next page, you have to enter some information about your music track. And like many other AI tools, it has a prompt box. Here you can enter your text prompt to generate music, or you can select genres, moods, and activities. Okay, so let's start with genres. There are so many genres available here. You can choose whatever you like. For this example, let's go with ambient. Next, for the moods option, I will select calm. In the next option, you have to select activities. For example, I want to generate calm sleeping music. I will come to the Sleep Activities tab and then select the sound type. This time, I will select Forest. Alright, we have selected our music genres, moods, and activities. Now we have to select the track length. The default length is 45 seconds. I will change it to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now, let's hit the Generate Track button. It will take some time to generate the music. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. I think it is really relaxing music for meditation or for sleeping. I love it. Now, let's try by adding lo-fi to the prompt and see what we get. I will just change the duration to 4 minutes and 45 seconds and hit Generate Now. Oh my god, are you serious? This is really amazing. Now, to save the track on your device, click on the download button. So, in order to download the track, they will ask you to create a free account. You can create the account using Google or Facebook, etc. Once the account is created, the track will be added to My Downloads folder. Now, in order to solve the copyright issue, we will have to enter our channel URL, where you will be uploading this music. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, I got you. Follow along to create the brand new YouTube channel. If you already have one, just plug the URL and feel free to skip this part. Okay, in order to create a YouTube channel, we have to sign in with Gmail or Google account. Now we enter our channel name and YouTube handle or username. Pick something unique and related to your niche. If you already have one, pick it out, perfect. If not, you can always seek help from our dear friend ChatGPT. So let's do that. Head over to ChatGPT and prompt. Hi ChatGPT, generate 10 unique names for my YouTube channel that focuses on lo-fi music. I like this one. Now every channel needs 2 things. 1, profile pic. 2, channel banner. So for that, we go to canva.com. After logging in with your Canva account, click on Create a Design. The best thing about Canva is they have so many pre-made templates for different social media platforms. For example, in our case, Let's select YouTube logo. Now you can search for a music channel logo from the template library and select any one you like. You also have an option to create your own. I will just select this one to save some time, but feel free to play around with Canva AI. After selecting the logo image, add a text template, and then insert our channel name. Customize the text font and color as per your liking. Once done, select download and choose JPG format. Alright, now that our logo is ready, now it's time for step 2. That is to create a channel banner. Let's go back to Canva homepage again and click on Create a Design. Search for a YouTube channel banner this time. I will do the same, just select a template banner and customize a little bit. You can also generate a new one like the logo design. After selecting your design, add the channel name, then customize the color and font if you want. After all is set, download the image. Okay, we have selected our channel name and created a logo and channel banner. Now it's time to customize our newly created YouTube channel. First, enter the channel name and then create a unique YouTube handle name. If the one you want is not available, just add underscores. After that, click on the Create Channel from here. Voila! Our channel is created. We only have the skeleton so far, so we need to add a little beauty to it. So click on Customize Channel from here. After coming to this page, come to the Basic Info tab. Now we have to add a channel description. For channel description, I will again ask my dear friend ChatGPT to write a unique channel description for my channel that matches what my channel is about. After generating the channel description, just copy and paste it into YouTube. Now we need to upload our logo and banner. So let's go to the Branding tab. In this tab, we can add or update our channel logo and banner. First, come to the picture option and click on the Upload button from here. Now upload the logo image. After that, come to the banner image option. This time, we will upload the banner image. After all is set, click on the Publish button to publish our new channel. After publishing the channel, copy the channel link and then paste it into the Muber. After that, click on the Continue button. Now click on Agree and download. Your music track will be downloaded on your device automatically. Our first music track has been downloaded. Now for downloading the second music track, click on the download icon of track 2 and click on Agree and Download. Okay guys, our music is now ready, but we are not done yet. We cannot only upload music to YouTube, we need to create a video. To create a video, we will just create a bunch of pictures first. You can either use Midjourney or Leonardo AI, or you can use copyright-free stock images. Choice is yours. For this video, I will use Leonardo AI because it's free. After coming to Leonardo AI, select Dreamshaper Vive 7 as your featured model. Now change the aspect ratio to 16:9. After that, enter your prompt. If you are not so good at prompts, you can just generate prompts with the prompt generation tool. Click on the prompt generation tab from here and then enter your imagination. For example, I am entering a cute girl listening to music wearing headphones. Leonardo will generate some prompts for you. Now you have to just select one prompt and then hit the generate button. If you don't like the image, you can generate it with another prompt. You can even edit the prompt. Once you are satisfied with your image, download the image. Okay, since we now have got our pictures ready, it's time to create a video with this image. For creating the video, I will use my old reliable and free software CapCut. You can download on your device or use an online version. If you are new to CapCut, create a free account. After creating the account, click on Create a New Project. Now upload the image and the audio file. After uploading the files, first drag and drop the audio file into the timeline. After that, insert the image. Now adjust the image length with the audio. I will add some effects to make it beautiful. There you go. You can play around with filters and effects. Once you are satisfied with the results, export the video and then download it on your device. Now our final video is ready. We can upload it on our channel. Upload the video with a proper name, description, and tags. And please, don't forget to add an eye-catching thumbnail. Thumbnails are super important these days. Alright, our video has been uploaded successfully. Now, let's talk about how to get quick success on YouTube. Music is one of the highest viewed niche on YouTube, and for that reason, there are many other YouTube channels you will be competing against. To quickly gain success, one option is to go live. Many platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard support live streaming services on YouTube. I would personally recommend OBS Studio. If you do not want to go that route, the other option is to make longer video. As you can see from the sample channels, they are very long, like 1 or 2 hours long, so just make longer videos. Finally, I would like to point out that MooBert's free version currently gives you 25 tracks per month, and you also have to give attribution, meaning you have to mention the link in your description, and you cannot get a commercial license with the free version. Their Pro version, however, lets you generate 500 tracks per month, and you can also get a commercial license with that. It's worth the money once your channel is successful and generating income. If you're just testing the waters for now, you can try their affiliate link. Just click on Become Affiliate and fill out the form with your name and email address. You will get the link directly to your email. You can share that link in your description. Now every time someone signs up for a Pro plan, using that link you get the commission. Once you have made enough cash, you can buy the Pro plan. That's all, folks. If you stayed till the end, I appreciate your patience and thank you for supporting the channel. If you haven't yet, do subscribe to the channel and like this video and share your views and experience with us in the comments. I look forward to see you all in our next video. Till then, stay safe.